Hi, Michael. My name is Miss Shayla, and I am contacting local carpet cleaners in your area, just going over your websites with you, showing you how to get new leads, as well as discuss your overall online process. I did come across your website by accident, actually, and I thought I would just send you a quick message showing you how to utilize appropriately keywords within your website that I see that you're trying to rank for, and tell you how you're doing it wrong as well as how to do it right. This is all free information that I'm offering you today. If you don't mind, just send me a quick email after you're done, just to let me know that what you thought about this video. I would appreciate it, okay? So to get started, when I was just looking through your website, I saw that you have, well, it looks like a bunch of keywords you're hoping to rank for here. And the business behind ranking for keywords is one that kind of has to follow a specific algorithm, right? You can't just list them. They have to be either headings within your page, they have to be bolded, and they have to be kind of limited. Like you can't have this many keywords per page. And so Google does have some specific standards when it comes to keywords. So I will tell you how to appropriately do that. In the meantime, I'm also going to tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. And the number one for organic movement of your website is going to be content. And content, of course, is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. Which you don't have a ton of content on. So let me give you an example for why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search option, right? Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds these content-rich websites, and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. And in doing so, it brings you to the top of the platform, right? So you could be on page 5 for a specific keyword and get moved all the way up to page 3 or 2 or 1. The growth is just exponential there, and there's really no telling how far Google will move you, but it's the biggest organic movement your website can have. With that said, on every additional service page that you offer, you need about 750 to 1,000 words of text. This does a few things. It adds the content to your site, which we know Google loves, right? But it also allows you to appropriately put keywords in your text. I did see this down here, and it made me wonder. Um, you don't necessarily have to hide keywords within your text. Again, there's a specific algorithm. Typically, what it looks like is for every keyword you want to rank for, it has to be surrounded by 250 words of text. So you can see that if you want to rank for 20 keywords, you need 20 times 250, and that's how many words on that page you'll need. So Google does have pretty specific recommendations and boundaries when it comes to that. So it's usually just easier that for every service that you offer to have just specific keywords put in the text and the content on your site. That's going to allow you to get found for more searches. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This here is called Ahrefs, and it gives me just an overall breakdown of how you're doing on the internet. And as you can see, 3 people are coming to your website every month, and you're only ranking for 25 keywords. With those 25 keywords, the only one that's on page 1 is where can I rent a carpet cleaner near me? So beyond that, the ones that you're hoping to rank for, as you can see, you're just not being found for them. So I think appropriately putting those keywords in the content of your website will help. If you have any questions on how to do that, feel free to reach out. I'd love to have that conversation with you, but I think I just wanted to show you that you're not currently ranking for those keywords being on your site because they're not put in there correctly. Again, headings get picked up a lot as keywords, as well as bolded text throughout your site, but just having them highlighted and kind of hidden as you do down here, that's not how you get found or seen for those or rank for those keywords. So I just wanted to give you that information from me to you. Do with it as you will. Next, I want to talk to you about this UR number. This UR number is directly related to citations. And a citation, if you come here to this GMB or the Google My Business, Google Map, whatever you want to call it, a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. In doing so, the more you get, the more directories you get your information on, the higher up this you go. I do have the ability to see how many your current competition has to know how many you would need to beat. And again, if that's information you want, we can definitely talk further about that. But by climbing this rank and securing a top position, you're going to cause this UR number to go up. And I'll tell you why these are so important, okay? Next, this DR number is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. And as you can see, for the 41 referring domains that your backlink is on, you are getting literally like 0 influence, right? So good quality backlinks on good domains are going to look like Angie's List and HomeAdvisor.com, ones that have a lot of traffic to them, also ones that are trusted by Google. When you get your backlinks on sites like that, it creates a lot of like influence coming back to your site. So the more influence you have coming back to your site, the better, and the higher this DR number goes up. When this DR number and this UR number goes up, you're going to create a lot of stability, linear stability within your position on the Google platform. And as you can see here, you started out higher, did a big dip, and haven't really moved any. So we would typically see a little bit more growth and then a lot of linear stability afterwards. So that's just, again, a way to help you. I wanted to show you, so these domains aren't very influential, right? And I wanted to show you an example. I did a screenshot of this one earlier today. And if you look here, they have 47 referring domains, right? This is a company out of California, but just for the sake of showing you, 47 domains, only 123 backlinks, but look at how much DR they're getting. Look at how much influence they're getting from those. So they have really powerful domains that their backlinks are hosted on, giving a lot of influence, and that's what we want. So again, in comparison, you've got almost as many domains as them, but like 0 DR. So getting good quality domains is going to be important. But well, Michael, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found this information useful. Please reach out. Let me know what you thought of this video. Again, this is free information from me to you. I just saw your site and thought I would shoot you a quick message, let you know if I could be of any help. But anyways, that's all I have for you today. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.